Hi, my name is Brett. I'm the head of the tech department here at Aeromotive. I wanted to take a minute today to introduce to you a new product. We've created a wiring harness that's specific for our brushless gear pumps, the 5, 7, and 10 gallon a minute pumps in particular. These pumps have extreme flow rates and have special requirements for wiring. That is to say, a wiring harness that can carry the current draw and support the fuel pump so that it can do the job that you want it to do in the car. The part number 16308 is a heavy-duty premium wiring harness. It's constructed with 6-gauge power and ground wires, a 60-amp breaker, and a 75-amp continuous duty relay. It includes a fully terminated and loomed harness. As you can see here, there's loom across the entire harness. It's very professional. It's very nicely done. It does include terminal ends and zip ties to mount it in the car. This again is designed ideally for our 5, 7, and 10 gallon a minute brushless gear pumps. It's an outstanding product. It's on our website today. Appreciate your attention and have a great day.